The factory floor gleamed, robots whirred. Elon Musk's dreams seemed within reach. Mass-produced electric cars changing the world. The goal? An almost impossible production rate, a mountain to climb, but ambition, like gravity, can pull you down. Musk pushed Tesla hard, demanding the impossible. He believed in automation, a future where robots built cars, but reality was messier. Machines broke down, software glitched. The human cost of these failures was about to become clear. This wasn't just about cars. It was about a future powered by clean energy, a future Musk was determined to build, no matter the cost. But in the rush for tomorrow, was Tesla forgetting about today? The workers on the factory floor were about to find out. Musk, ever the showman, slept at the factory. He worked alongside employees, a visible symbol of his commitment. This wasn't just business, it was personal. He pushed himself as hard as he pushed others. His presence was a motivator, some said. Others saw a man obsessed, driving himself and everyone around him to the brink. Was it inspiration or desperation? The lines blurred in the exhaustion. Stories emerged. Musk, fueled by deadlines, sleeping under his desk. Musk, personally inspecting vehicles, demanding perfection. This was a leader who led by example, even if that example came at a cost. The mountain was climbed. Tesla ramped up production, silencing critics. The impossible was achieved. Musk's gamble had paid off, but at what price? The human cost was undeniable. Burnout, injuries, and shattered lives littered the path to success. The dream of a sustainable future was now a reality, built on the backs of those who endured the hell of production. The electric revolution was here. Tesla, against all odds, had triumphed. But as we celebrate innovation, we must remember the sacrifices made, the human cost of progress. Was it worth it? That's a question we must all ask ourselves.